Ever felt like your mind just goes blank when someone asks you a question in English, or you don't have the right word and you end up freezing? If you have ever felt nervous like you don't have enough vocabulary, or you don't know what to say or how to keep a conversation going, stick around. Because today I'm sharing with you a 5-day plan to boost your fluency fast. Hey everyone, this is Aditi and I am sharing here a practical day-by-day method which can help you to achieve your English fluency. Ready? Let's dive right in. So here's your first step. Choose 5 topics that genuinely interest you. And these topics could be anything that gets you excited, like cooking, travel, sports, or even art. But why? Because speaking about topics you love is way easier. It makes you confident and keeps you motivated to learn more. Think of it this way. Your current world is already filled with interests and hobbies. We are just weaving English into that world. Now, once you have picked 5 topics, what you need to do is to write 3 reasons for each one of those topics. This will help you to organize your thoughts, setting you up for fluency from the start. I don't know, but I feel like you're still having a question here. Fine, let me give you how you're going to do it. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I still feel that you need help with this step. Okay, let me show you how you're going to do it. So look at the screen here. I have chosen these 5 topics: cooking, sports, travel, art, books. Now, I'll write 3 reasons of choosing cooking, 3 for sports, and for the rest of the topics. Let's start with cooking. It allows creativity in making new dishes, brings friends and family together. It's a skill I can keep improving on. For sports, I can definitely write it's thrilling to watch and play. It helps me stay active and fit. It's fun to follow teams and players. For travel, I can write I love discovering new places and cultures. It creates memorable experiences and broadens my perspective. For art or painting, I can write it's a form of self-expression. It's relaxing and stress-relieving. There's always something new to learn here. Our next topic was books. You can also write the type of books you love to read. For me here, it's mystery novels. So I can say the exciting plots keep me hooked, improves my imagination, and I enjoy discussing theories with friends. All right, on to day 2. Now here you are going to find a blog post or an article on each of those 5 topics. Don't worry, you don't need to read word to word. You just need to skim through and find or pick out some points that interest you. So you need to basically pick 3 points that you think is crucial or mandatory to learn here. It will help you to see how native speakers talk or think on those topics, and will also help you to organize your thoughts. For instance, say you chose cooking and you found a blog post saying 10 things I learned from culinary school that every home cook must know. Now, what are your 3 takeaways? You need to find 3 points that you think is crucial here. So here your 3 takeaways can be: you don't need to be a pro chef to cook like one. You can turn leftovers into great dishes. And basic tools work as well as fancy tools. Now, day 3 is all about vocabulary. Pick 3 words that you already know, which can relate to each topic. Yes, words you already know. This reinforces your confidence in what you have learned so far. For each word, find 3 synonyms to expand your vocabulary. Let's say one of your topics is sports. For athlete, you can add player, competitor, contender. And suddenly you are going from 3 words to 12 for just 1 topic. And that's powerful for fluency. On day 4, make each topic personal. Think of a memory or experience related to that topic and list out 5 W's. I have already explained this method in one of my videos. Please go and check this out. This one is amazing to improve your fluency and communication, and this can literally help you to talk on any topic you want. So if you're aiming for your fluency, this is the first method that can help you. So here as well, we are going to take help of this method. So yes, so you need to answer 5 W's here. What are those 5 W's? So it's basically who, what, when, where, and why. Talking on real experiences and memories will give you confidence and the motivation you need for your fluency. Real experiences make it so much easier to talk about topics naturally. For example, if one of your topics was sports, and if you have played basketball in college, then you can mention it here. So for who? Yourself. What? Playing basketball. When? In college. Where? At the name of your college. So at XYZ college. And why? Because you loved the game. So here you have a complete story to follow. And if someone is asking you about sports, you won't go blank and you can follow this story. If you follow this technique, you can speak on any topic for more than 2 minutes, and it takes you less than 15 seconds to build a story and to follow this method. Finally, it's day 5. Here, you are going to create 5 questions related to each topic. And this step is a game changer. It prepares you to answer questions confidently without freezing up. So think of questions like, have you ever traveled abroad? What type of travel do you prefer? Or which type of travel do you prefer? Backpacking or a cruise? And if your topic is books, then you might ask questions like, do you prefer reading physical books or ebooks? Why? If you could meet any character from the book you are reading, who would it be and why? And if your topic is art, then some questions can be like this. Is there a specific art style that fascinates you? How art can impact a person's emotions and mindset? And there you have it. In just 5 days, you will notice a significant improvement in your English fluency. Remember, this isn't about memorizing. It's about connecting with the language and making it a part of your life. If you like this video and you want more, then subscribe to my channel Skillaholic for more such amazing English learning contents and tips. And hey, don't stop now. If you think this video is informative, give it a like and share it with your friends. Until next time, keep practicing English.